How to find out it is purchase return and how to find out it is sales return. Purchase goods from Sharat. Purchase goods from Sharat. It is which account? It is a purchase account. We are doing which account? Purchase account. What we should write? We should write inward invoice number. 24th we don't consider. Why? Because it is cash related. Hello everyone, this is your Adarsh sir, lecturing Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. So we are in the session 11 of your topic called accounting. Now, in accounting, we were doing the subsidiary books. Now, the same subsidiary books we will continue today. Now, in the previous session, we did only sales book as well as sales return book. But in today's session, we will work out, we will do all the accounts like your purchase, your sales book, your purchase return book as well as sales return book. So with the help of this problem, you will understand everything. Now, so the agenda is very simple. We will learn concept as well as we will learn problems on subsidiary books. The concept is very simple. I already explained you, but I'll give you again a small brief introduction. Now, in this, we have purchase book, we have sales book, we have purchase return, and we have sales return. So these are the accounts we are going to prepare. Remember, for purchases, we always call it as what? Inward invoice. Next, for sales, outward invoice. For purchase return, we call it as it is debit note. For sales return, we call it as it is credit note. So these are the informations we know that, like for purchase inward invoice, sales outward invoice, purchase return it is debit note, and sales return it is credit note. These are the informations we have. Now in this remember, while doing purchases, it is easy that in the question they will give you Raju purchased, he purchased, we purchased, like that they will give you directly. In case of sales, goods sold to XYZ, goods sold to PQR, they will give you directly. Now, how to find out it is purchase return and how to find out it is sales return. Now, in the question directly they will give you there is a credit note of 5,000 by Raju. If it is a credit note, what it is? It is sales return. They will give you in the question, there is a debit note for 3,000 by Ravi. Now, debit note means what? This is called purchase return. Easy to calculate. Remember that debit note means it is purchase and credit note means it is sales. Now, so this is your question. Before we go into your problem, we will find out which are purchases, which are sales, which are purchase return as well as whichever sales return. Now, the first thing is purchase goods from Sharat. Purchase goods from Sharat. It is which account? It is a purchase account. Next, bought from Kiran for rupees 4,500 on account of 10% discount. Bought from Kiran. So it is nothing but what? Purchases. Next, sold goods to Ashwini. What is this? Sales. Now, Return defective goods to Kiran. How to find out? You may have confusion whether it is a purchase return or sales return. Very simple. What is the name given? It is given return defective to Kiran. Go back. Is there anywhere Kiran? Yes. Bought from Kiran. It is what? Purchases. This must be what? Purchase return. Simple, clear. If you have any doubt what you are supposed to do, you have to find out the name of the person. If for the name of the person we have done purchase or sales, according to that we should decide whether it is a purchase return or whether it is a sales return. In this, sold goods to Sundar rupees 4,000. Now sold goods to Sundar means it is simple. We will write directly it is a sales. Easy. Now, return defective goods by Sundar. Where is Sundar here? It is there. Sold goods to Sundar. It is a sales. Return means it must be sales return. Next, credit sales to Raju. It is a sales. It is simple. If you have confusion regarding whether it is a purchase return, whether it is a sales return, you just find out the name, go back. Is there anything related to that particular person? If sales happen, it must be sales return. If purchase happened to that person, it must be purchase return. Now, next, credit purchases from Anand. So it is what? Purchase. Dinesh bought from us on account of. See, this is very important. Dinesh bought from us means for us it is what? Sales. Remember, it is not purchases. Now, Dinesh is third person. He bought from us means what we did? We did sales. So, this is nothing but sales. Next, sent a credit note. When credit note comes, it is for sales return. Next, after this, cash sales to Vijay. What we should do? Remember, if it is a cash sales, it will come under sales, it will come under purchase, it will come under purchase return, or it will come under sales return. Which one? Yes, it will come under. It will not come only. Why? Because the word cash comes means subsidiary books will not entertain. So, in subsidiary books, we will not write anything about cash. Now, it is done. Bought 15 units from Jayant. So, it is purchase. Next, return to Jayant. So, Jayant it is purchase means it must be purchase return. Last one, purchase from Raghu. Simple, it is purchase. Up to this, any doubt? Hope you understood how to classify whether it is a purchase or whether it is a sales. Now we will prepare your purchase book, sales book, purchase return as well as sales return. Now, we don't have any discount or any calculation, easy to do. First, we will work out all the purchases. Later, we will come for sales. Later, we'll come for purchase return. And later, we'll go for sales return. Now, as per this, January 1st, purchase goods from Sharath. January 1st. Before that, remember, we are doing which account? Purchase account. What we should write? We should write inward invoice number. So we should write purchase journal book. This is very important. We have to mention purchase book is enough, or else you can write purchase journal book. Now, January 1st, so purchase goods from Sharath 3,500. We don't want sentence, I will not write any narrations. Just we need name. Sharath, it is 3,500. Sharath, 3,500. This much only we are supposed to write. Next. Is there anywhere purchases? Yes. Second one. Bought from Kiran 4,500 less 10% discount. Jan 2nd. In the book, we have to write Kiran. Amount, how much? Amount is 4,500 less discount 450. How come you got 450? 4,500 multiplied with 10%. It is 450. Your answer is 4,050. Any doubt? No doubt. Now, again I'll come back. So after this, again, is there any purchases? In this sheet, we don't have any purchases. Is there any purchases? Yes, we have Jan 15th, credit purchase from Anand 10,000. Jan 15th, Anand, amount is 10,000. Now, is there any purchases? Yes, we have one more. That is Jan 25th. Bought from Jayant 200 per unit. Number of unit is 15. So January 25th. Jan 25th. So this is Jayant. What is the value? So it is 15 multiplied with 200. Now 15 multiplied with 200. It is around 3,000. Well, cross verify. 15 multiplied with 200. It is 3,000. Now, next, is there anywhere purchases? Yeah, last one. Purchase from Raghu, rupees 4,000. January 30th. Jan 30th. Raghu. It is 4,000. Now, any doubt up to this? We have completed your purchase book. We have written everything in your purchase book. Now, so purchase book is done. Again, we'll go back to your sales book. Now, is there anywhere sales book here? Yes, the third one, January 4th. Sold goods to Ashwini 4,500. January 4th. So Ashwini 4,500. Before that, what we should do? We should mention that sales journal book. Now, in this, mention here, for sales, we will write what? Outward invoice number. Remember this. Now, again, I'll go back. Is there anything? This sales is done. Is there? Yes, one more we have. Next. So, after this, we have one more. That is January 7th. January 7th, we have sold goods to Sundar 4,000. Now, January 7th, Sundar, it is 4,000. Now, this is done. Again, I'll go back to your question. So, one more sale we have. January 12th, credit sales to Raju and Sons, 15,000. Jan 15th, Raju and Sons, it is 15,000. Now, So it is January 12th, not 15th. I'll correct that. January 12th. Now, is there anywhere sales? Yes, we have one, that is sales. Now, what is that? So Dinesh bought from us, it is 5,000. You should mention Dinesh, and date it is January 18th. January 18th, Dinesh, amount is 5,000. So I'll check the amount. Yes, the amount is 5,000. Now the purchases are done. Yes, it is done. Yeah. So we have done with purchase and we done with sales. What is left? Two things are left. One is purchase return and another one is sales return. We'll go for that. Now, in this only two things are there. One is purchase return, another one is sales return. First we'll go for purchase return. Now, January 6th, it is a purchase return. Purchase return account. Now, it is when? So, while returning, we will not consider the discount part. Now, it is 1,000 from Kiran on January 6th. So, January 6th, it is Kiran. The value is 1,000. Remember, you have to mention. So, which one we are doing? We are doing purchase return. Purchase return means what? Debit note. If it is a sales return, we should consider as credit note. Now, so after that, in the first sheet, we don't have anything about purchase return. I'll go to next. In the next, do we have anything? It is sales return and we have purchase return. So we have purchase return of Giant, 2 damaged units. Now, we don't know what is the value. What is the value? 200 each. 2 multiplied with 200. This is 400. When it is? It is on Jan 26, Giant. Jan 26th, Giant. 2 multiplied with 200, it is 400. Now, your purchase return is done. Now we'll go for sales return. This is your sales return account or sales return. We should write credit note. This is what? Debit note. Your sales return is called as credit note. Now, I'll go back to question. We'll see is there anything? Sales return. Now, in this we have one, that is January 10th. January 10th, Sundar, rupees 1,000. January 10th, Sundar, the value is 1,000. This is done. I'll go to last one. In the first sheet, everything it is completed. In the second one, sent a credit note to Dinesh. Dinesh is how much? 1,000. January 19th. So what is the name? January 19th, it is Dinesh 1,000. So January 19th, Dinesh, it is 1,000. Again, I'll go back. We'll check is there anything. As per this, so it is 1000 is over. 24th we don't consider. Why? Because it is cash related. We will not consider. Now, we have to close one by one. Now, what is the total we have? So, total of everything, it is 3500 plus 4050 plus 10,000 plus 3000 plus 4000. You will get 24,550. 24,550 is your answer. What is your sales book? So easily we can calculate 15 plus 5, 20, 24, 28,500. Then if you add this 1,400. If you add this, you will get 2,000. So these are your calculation. Just you have to add and you have to write total sales and total purchases, total sales return, total purchase return. So this is your problem number 2. Before that we did concept. Problem 2. Continuation of problem 2. Your solution part 1. Your solution part 2, solution part 3, and solution last part 4. So this is all about your today's session. Hope you understood what is subsidiary books. We have done the complete problem of subsidiary books. Thank you.